Balance is this thing that we're always told we need to find. Find your work life balance, balance your mind, balance your time, balance your eating. But even the way we talk about it is really odd because balance isn't something that you find. It's not something you stumble upon and come to and the rest is figured out. It's a verb, it's something that we do. And it's an ongoing practice of finding the things in our life that fulfill us instead of drain us. And your balance is going to be a lot different than mine or the next person's. And that's a really beautiful thing. But that also means that the answers to what your balance looks like is within you, not what your boss is telling you, your family, your friends, or the internet. It's you. And when it comes to balancing your eating, that usually comes with a groaning reminder that, well, we should probably eat a little less carbs and a lot more vegetables. And while, yes, this is generally true, what if you could remove that groan? What if we approached balance in our eating more from a stance of the energy in which we bring to it, how we eat the foods, more than the food itself? Food has this really magical capacity to not only fulfill us nutritionally and physically, but to intellectually stimulate our minds and emotionally fulfill our souls. There's a reason they call it soul food. So, what if we thought of balance more of not only eating the foods that are physically good for us, but intellectually and emotionally too? So, yes, definitely eating those vegetables, but also eating those enchiladas from your favorite Mexican restaurant down the street. Or perhaps balance means learning how to cook your favorite meal from scratch at home. When's the last time you tried a brand new food? Maybe balance means going to the farmer's market, picking out something you've never had, and talking to the farmers about it. How do they like to cook it? How do they like to eat it? Or maybe it's finally going to try that exotic restaurant that you've always been a little too nervous to try. Or maybe what fulfills you is the experience of food, connecting over it with your loved ones. So maybe that means bringing that special someone out for an awesome evening with some killer Italian food and incredible wine. Or maybe it's bringing over the whole family this weekend for a barbecue. Balance is all in what you make of it, and it's about you. What fulfills you, your body, mind, and soul. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, subscribe, tag a friend, and spread the message. And remember, open your mind and your mouth.